We're here looking at the HMH Hydril GK 13.5 compact radial latch annular BOP. You've got a body, you've got a head, internally there's a piston and a packing unit, and then what we're really focusing on today is our radial latch system. You run your radial latches out, head lifts straight up, you can access the packing unit, change it out, do what you need to do, head comes right back down, and then you run your latches in, and you're ready to keep going. I think what most customers are used to is more the screw-on style head. So it's threaded, you've got this whole head piece, you've got to get it torqued on, which can be difficult of how to handle it.
Customers over time had said, hey, we really do prefer the radial latches because it's something that allows us to get into the BOP more quickly. The drill crew that would be servicing the GK 13.5 will finish their job more quickly. That provides more opportunity for working on other things like drilling, so that the drilling operation is more profitable.
The core technology in the annular BOP is the elastomer. So we have a top of the line packing unit in here. And then what we've also done is incorporate some improvements with our dynamic seals. So piston seals, head seals that are seeing that cycling when you're using the annular.
We pride ourselves on having the best elastomers in the industry. And one of the things that we've done recently is apply a surface finish to some of our seals. This technology is what we call SF2, or surface finish 2, and it allows the piston seals to last 3 times as long compared to a standard seal. Another benefit of the GK 13.5 radial latch is that it uses the same packing elements as legacy GK 13.5s. And the idea is that all of those parts that a customer may have in inventory, in terms of packing elements, can still go into this new GK 13.5 compact radial latch.
Really the advantage here with this design is that we've brought it to a compact footprint. Easier to handle, easier to manage and use on the road. You can see it's PR2, API monogrammed, metallic temperature ratings, -20 to 350. Our packing unit does 20 to 250. So big operating windows, gets you what you need, extreme temperatures, and brings that world-class capability with the PR2 monogram on it.
The Hydril annulars are a top market performer because when drillers need them to work, when it really matters, they work. When you look at the cost of our packing elements, the cost of our seals, it's clear that you'll be money ahead by choosing Hydril.
It's simple, it's efficient, it's fast, and it gets you what you need.